Our very precious Tyler Perry. I did show say many of now know I'm na Oyibo man. Okay, na Black American sha. Yes. And the movies they sweet well. So now he don't come outside. The man they very sad. Huh? From the way he dey talk, like my heart even want break. He say now he be 51 years old already, but he still dey single. Saying they wonder wetin go happen to the next chapter of his life. He no know. And he say make we try dey happy because the world na very sad world now. And in the hope say for 2021, say 2021 go bring us peace. My brother, me sef na my prayer be that oh. Chai! But I dey pity am oh. I dey pity am. E no good to dey lonely oh. I don't experience I don't experience am before. You know, no, e no good to dey lonely. If you don't experience this thing, you go understand wetin I dey talk. E no good. But with all the money where this man get, you still dey single. But this life no balance sha o. Person go get money, e no get woman. Person can't get woman, wey e no get money. Na so the thing just dey turn round. Marriage. But marriage no be for everybody. See, some people, you know how many people don't die when they not marry. Marriage no be for everybody. Although it's sweet, na good thing. But you know me saying everybody supposed to marry. It depends on your destiny. You understand? So my brother, why not if not? I am here and I am single. Why they waste time? My brother, I am single. So you understand? I'm free. You can come. Me, I don't get anybody and I'm ready. Just come and take me away, you understand? Why do they look me like that? Jealousy. I don't even feel say amen. See making come carry me. Now just the jealousy. But my people, on a serious note, you know how many girls I see when they propose to this man. As this matter just blast like this. Hey? Tyler Perry, will you marry me? When I don't see where woman they propose to man. No, things are hard. For this thing to happen, no, things are hard, especially Nigeria. Nigeria is hard. Those girls, they don't even mind now. They go even carry ring. My people, no be smart, you know. But this thing is one thing. The way they bother my heart. You understand? This man now, now one time me say all these years, he never see woman. As white people sabi fine, they sabi dress. How come? And I even hear the one where I even the suspect pass now, they say they always they write movies for gay people. When I should say this man, no, they look for man like himself. Because if now women plenty. So by now you suppose don't, you understand, you suppose don't see person where at least, you understand. Now be say, my people, this man, he just they waste in this thing. Because that thing, that milk where they there, be like say you know even they come out. Because how you go there, how many years? Till you reach 51, my brother. You don't tell Reverend Father be that to say you just enter convent. Make we know say Tyler Perry. Yeah, na part of the people where even they support they support gay, even they write. See, I don't know why God no give the right people money. See person wey go give money, we no even need them. But many of us, if we get this kind of money, we know what to do again. My people, my prayer for us be say, make we no dey lonely because that thing fit make you kill yourself. Depression will just come, many bad things will just enter. But my brother, you understand, my prayers are with you. But don't forget I am single and I'm searching. And I'm no more searching, in fact, I've seen you. You are the one for me, you understand? Just drop it there and I will come right away. Ghana. This one, Kumasi to be precise. My people, 2 women, they don't almost turn the house upside down because of man. It happens say one woman they married with her husband, that one name na Adwa. And this one get best friend. The Adwa get best friend. And that one best friend, he name na Nafisa. My people. So Adwa marry her husband and her best friend na Nafisa. So they come move to Kumasi. And Nafisa no get job. Na so I do come say, okay, oh, since you be my best friend, I no fit dey dey enjoy life where you no get job. Oh yeah, come Kumasi, I could find job for you. Hey, my people. Now so the Nafisa come carry her 2 leg, lege, reach Kumasi. Ngwanu, they wan give her job, oh, they wan give her job. My people, we no say, they wan give her job, we no say this one. She don't go find job for the woman husband house. No be small matter, oh. One day like that, na so the woman just say, okay, oh, today na surprise visit. Bam. Because they marry, but because of her job, she not too dey the husband house, you understand? But she can't live in friend for that Kumasi too. Say, okay, I trust you. And so one day, na so she can't say, okay, make her come visit na surprise visit. She not tell anybody anything, no. And so she just go. As the woman enter the house, hey, weleke. Hey, problem don't wear pants already. Now so she catch 2 of them. Ibaga. No be small beating, no. I beg. Oh, this matter too hard for my mouth. I want make una see, watch this video. I want the friend they kneel down. I want make una see am with una koro eye. Make we watch the video.
My mama number so I be news. Say na be ya. Me ko hobie. Nti e na me delete mama number. Me delete mama number say me ko hobie na me no ntem. Tell me say my
99 nim say me oni me ntem be Canada.
Tio. Me ba wa chewo. Tie kan.
Ntu pa ma chona nim say mate ase ma me kan sure ne. Na me ejejew. Na ka no ma me ba ho. Aka me bu no ma me te ne me bu akokọ. Ono ma me ka ba. Say ha de me nya ba.
Tie me ba wa chewo. Me pa wa chewo kan no. Hwenya me na kan no kwese me pa wa chewo.
Me yeah me say me di ache no say bibia fidi me so.
Best friends. All of una wey dey do best friends, bestie, my bestie. Bestie na the new name wey devil dey bear now. In different forms and shapes. Bestie. To get best friend now, it can be like say na sin. Yes, because na those same people go kill you. For una wey no see, na rat wey you get for house, na that same rat dey go bush, go tell him fellow rat say food dey this house. No be outside. Na see person wey go kill you, na from inside, na that same person. Hey, my sister, they bring you come work. You say you give yourself work. Hey? For on top another person cucumber. Now you just employ yourself. You give yourself a employment letter. The way this thing they pepper me for body. Hi, Chineke. They no beat this girl well, oh. Because as soon as I see for the video, she still they explain. They no beat you well, my sister. If not me, sorry alone. See, even hospital go reject you because the way I go scatter you. No. But my people, how come now only this girl, this woman come they beat me? What of the husband? Yes, because una two they form big part of all this problem where they happen. Una they form part of this very big problem. Where that idiot, where him go? Because make I tell una, if man no gree, nothing go shele. Because now una be the main coco. If una no gree, nothing go shele. Make una try to always learn to dey respect your wife and her friends. Set boundaries. Which kind of nonsense be that? See, madam, it takes 2 people to do. This one where you just a beat only one. It takes 2. That your husband, if you no deal with am tomorrow, it go be your sister when you go jump on top. Now so it dey happen every time. Wahala. Ghanaians. Make I not talk before they talk say, Aproko that don't bring matter again. I just they call una name. Say Ghanaians, I dey greet una. How far na? How market? Laziness everywhere. All these slay queens, see, every day, as long as I they bring una matter, and so I go dey deal with una. And I go repeat them again. All of una where they thief people husband, una no go make heaven. Somebody should say amen. Yes. Una no go make heaven. Since una don't decide say work no dey for una for this life, na to dey sleep with married men. Now una job be that because of money. Una don't lazy finish. Now just to dey relax, they wait for person sweat. Una no say before. See, make I tell una, any rich man wey una see today, he get one girl wey hustle with am. So make una no dey feel very important because of one small thing wey you just carry for front and back. You just dey distract people. Una no go make heaven. I don talk am and I don talk am again. The thing wey dey pay me for this kind cheating matter, una know the statement wey dey pay me. It's not what you are thinking. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? You see, they don't catch you red-handed. You see, they talk say it's not what you are thinking. Well, no, what do you want make me think before? Say they wash plate. My people, na the matter with this for Aproko show. Yes, I want to know wetin they think for this matter. You understand? Drop your comment there. I want to know wetin be your opinion. How you see am? How you hear am? Drop am for there. And make sure say you subscribe. Share this video. Make everybody know wetin dey happen for Aproko show. You understand? I will see you now later.